So, picture this. You're out in the wild, surrounded by dense forests and tall grasses. The air is thick with anticipation as you tread carefully, your heart pounding in your chest. Suddenly, you catch a glimpse of something majestic, something powerful. It's a tiger. In that moment, time seems to stand still. You lock eyes with this magnificent creature, and you can't help but feel a mix of fear and awe. The tiger's sleek orange coat glistens in the sunlight, its stripes like works of art. You can't help but admire its strength and grace. But let me tell you, there's more to tigers than just their beauty. These apex predators are built for survival. With their sharp claws and powerful jaws, they are the kings and queens of the jungle. They can run at incredible speeds, leaping effortlessly through the air. They are the embodiment of raw power. But here's the thing, tigers are in danger. Their habitats are shrinking and they are being hunted for their fur and body parts. We need to step up and protect these incredible creatures before it's too late. We need to ensure that future generations get to witness the same awe-inspiring sight that we do. So let's raise awareness, let's support conservation efforts, and let's make sure that tigers continue to roam the wild for years to come. Because these majestic creatures deserve our respect and admiration. Together, we can make a difference.